Welcome to the English Literature class. Today we are going to study a very important chapter because this chapter has significance or relevance to the condition that is prevailing these days. As you all know, we are all surrounded by coronavirus, because of which we are not allowed to go out of our homes. Now children, did you ever think why the situation has become so critical? Because this infection or virus is contagious. Contagious means it passes on from one person to another in just a fraction of a second. And that is why all of us are victim. We have been suffering through this problem. Similarly, in the story, children, we are going to talk about a girl whose name has been put on the city in which she lived. So the name of the girl is Florence, and she lived in the city Florence itself, which is in Italy. So her name was put on the name of the city. So now children, she was actually a nurse, and there was a Crimean War 1853 to 1856. These are the years, and during these years lot of soldiers, lot of army people injured. But the twist was, people were not dying because of the health, people were not dying because of the attack. They were dying because of the health. Now how they were dying because of the health, what was happening in that particular city, we will study in this chapter. So now the chapter starts with a person whose name is Mr. Andrews. He is telling, actually he is in 1920. The story starts with the year 1920. Mr. Andrew is standing, there is a statue and two children are standing. Now Mr. Andrew is telling that in 1854, he was injured because of this Crimean War and he was admitted in the hospital. Now the condition of the hospital was very bad. There were flies, there were waste, there were improper things. It was all unsystematic, and a lot of problems were there. It was not clean. It was, the condition we can say is unsanitary. Very bad condition, very rough condition was there in the hospital. Now children, you must know, in hospital you will find very neat and clean environment. If hospitals will be unclean, then the patients can never recover. Understood? So now the condition of the hospital was very bad and nobody was taking it seriously. No doctor, no management, no nothing. Nobody was taking it seriously except for this girl, Florence. Now her story is, she was born in 1820. Then in 1853, she wanted to go to London to learn how to become a nurse. But Florence's parents were not happy. They said, you want to be a nurse? A nurse job is so bad. You will work in the hospital, you will just clean the dirty things of people and patients, and you really want to do that job? You really want to be a nurse? Why don't you become a doctor? Why don't you become something good? Only a nurse you want to be? So initially the parents of Florence were not happy, but then they allowed her, and then in 1853 she went to London. Now listen to it very carefully. She went to 1853 to learn about nurse, and this was the same time of the war, 1853 to 1856. The Crimean War was there and soldiers were dying and dying and dying. Now this was something that was bothering Florence. So one day she went to the hospital to check the condition. And when she went to the hospital, she said, what is this? She quickly blamed all the doctors. She started shouting on the doctors. She said, this is how you keep a hospital? Your soldiers are not dying because of the attack. They are dying because of the condition of the hospital. You're not giving them clean space. You're not giving them good food. You're not providing them the good space or the material. So she started, now Florence along with her team, she started cleaning the hospital, she made a good environment for the people, and finally all the soldiers started recovering. Not only soldiers, the people in the city, they started recovering during the war. Now when people saw this and when Florence came back to her home, everybody welcomed her like a hero. Everybody said, wow Florence, there were so many people dying in this war, but because you improved the healthcare condition, the hospital condition or the conditions related to health, you worked on those things, so that is why now people are alive, the people are living, they're so happy. So now people consider Florence as a hero, that you are hero for us. Not only this, Florence got so popular that she even met Queen Victoria in 1856. the biggest queen, she called Florence to come and discuss the issues with her, that how can we improve England, how can we improve the medical facilities of England. So this is how Florence became so popular. But children, unfortunately, like I said, you have seen doctors right now, they are treating corona patients, and few of the doctors are dying because they are getting infected, because they have got infection from the patient. Similarly, this Florence, because she was dealing with the patient, she was going to the hospital, she also got attacked through that same problem, through that infection, and at the age of 90, she finally died. So this is the story of the Florence Nightingale. This Florence, whose name was kept on the city, and because of his great work, she was called as a hero. I hope the chapter is clear to you, and if you like my video, please go like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.